Okay, guys, so it looks like we're going to pick up filming again because Brody got here. Hopefully this gets picked up because it is a low light situation. So hopefully it doesn't come out all blurry. But yeah, I just wanted to film because Brody showed up.
What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, how are you doing?
Good.
How's everything been?
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't seen you here in a few days. How's Brody been doing?
Good.
Yeah. Have you just been showing up late or?
No, like, I think the last time I was here was, the last time you pretty much saw me.
Oh, okay.
A couple days ago.
Because I know you said you had the issue with him tearing stuff up.
Yeah. So we had to clean it up, and he's been alright.
Okay. Oh, he hasn't started that again.
No.
Okay, that's good.
Take him out a couple times so he doesn't get,
Oh, I see.
It was a joke, obviously.
I didn't take it as a joke because he showed me a picture of it. Well done. And I was like, no. Can't date you. See you guys.
Well done. What was cooked?
The New York strip. The dude cooked it well done.
Alright, you guys out of here,
And
man?
I asked him, like, so you like your New York steak well done? He's like, I like everything well done except for sushi.
I know, but if I would
Yes, I had the same look. And I was just
What?
All right, Jeff.
But that's why you dumped the guy over that?
yes?
What?
Oh, did I hit
I
you?
can't date a guy that eats everything well done except for sushi. Like, what the fuck is that? Come on, Jeff. Some people needs to upgrade
I mean, is
taste.
everything burnt like a charcoal briquette or what?
He straight up just cooked it well done. It was no go.
No go.
It was no go.
No go.
Wow.
No.
This must be one of those people we meet online. It must be.
Exactly.
Oh, why are you doing that?
That's how my dating life is right now.
Oh my gosh.
You
know what?
You're up to date on it.
You know what? What you? Hey, no.
That's you, boo.
Hey, no, out of there, out of there. So I don't know what it
Oh, he's
is.
drinking the water, dude.
Oh, disgusting.
That is disgusting.
Oh, it's cold.
Yes, it is. Come here, baby.
I might get my horchata.
All right, well, take care.
All right.
Good to see you again, especially you, Eva. Good to see all of you.
All of us?
Okay. No, I'm talking about you, Eva. Good to see all of
Oh,
you.
thank you.
Yeah, take care, okay? All right, so we just lost some of our dog park population, but yeah, still a few dogs in here. Baldy, look, I'm going to get your rope toy. Going to get it. Going to get it. Ah, you beat me too. Oh, I got it. Good boy. Oh, I still have it. I still have it. I still have it. Good boy, Bodie. So how are your 6 kids doing, or is it 7 kids?
I have 4 right now, and then 2 that graduated, but I still see them.
You know what? That's funny. You don't look old enough to have a kid that graduated. No, just in context, it's her work. We're not talking about biological kids here. Uh-oh, there she goes.
No.
Don't lay down. Don't lay down.
Lulu.
Don't lay down. Go grab her, quick. Quick.
Lulu.
Before she lays down. Quick before she lays
Out of the
down.
mud. Come here.
Hurry up before she lays down. You're not running. Where's your sense of urgency?
Lulu. Get out of the mud.
Go ahead. Out. Out. Out.
Because of the ball. Get out.
I would grab her, but I don't know if she takes kindly to other people grabbing her. Oh, she'll try to go back?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Come on, let's go.
So it looks like Bodie found a new friend. Ah. Where are you? Come on. What's he up to? I don't want him digging over there. Good boy, Bodie. Hear this? Hear this? Oh, gosh. Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Oh, you know what? I forgot Brody was in here. And Brody loves the rope toy too, so I'm going to have to keep it away from Brody. Hey, is Brody a year old yet? Oh, okay. Okay. So the owner, Brody, said that he turned 1 year on December 19th. So yeah, so he's let me see, he's a year and a month now, right? Yeah, let me go over here and give you guys a close-up of Brody. Brody, the American Bully XL. Hey, Brody. All right, guys, so it looks like we're going to wrap up this video. We appreciate you guys showing up. There were quite a few dogs here earlier. Some of them cleared out. But, yeah, overall, it was a pretty good day. Would have been nice if there was more sun because I know it's getting dark right now, but so happy that we were able to film 2 videos for you guys. So yeah, we're going to keep posting these videos. I'll be up here to film as much as I can. But yeah, guys, just know that we appreciate you all, and we hope that we'll see you on the next episode of Bodie's World. Everyone, please stay safe and take care. Bodie, what are you up to, huh? You're not going to dig. Bodie, come. No. Bodie, come. This way. This way. This way. Bodie, come. Bodie. Bodie. Good boy.
Go, Brady! Go! Please, no!
I guess he got into the nasty water over there.